next thing I'm going to solder is the 3x7 segment display. Goes up here. Quite simple. Once again, those holes just go into there. Shouldn't require too much effort. You will notice when you're putting it in, there's one less pin on this side. As you see there, there's a pin missing, so don't worry about that. That's the way it should be. So when you look underneath, there are 6 on one side and 5 on the other. That's fine. Once again, I'll make sure these dots are at the bottom. That's the way it should be aligned up. And we're just going to put it down on the board. And same deal, I'm going to do the opposite corners first. Opposite corners first, make sure that it's seated properly. Okay, on mine I can see that, it's a bit wobbly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat up this one and give it a bit of a push down before I go any further. That's why we do the top just a little bit first. Oh, that's much better. So now you can see it's kind of sitting flush. It doesn't really wobble around anymore. So that's why we do the alternating corners first. Now, once again, I'm just going to go and solder them all up. There you've got it. Nicely soldered up. Once again, inspect your joints after each one. They look pretty good.